Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the the frequency response analysis of RC low pass filter, okay, RC low pass filter, the AC analysis of low pass filter, RC low pass filter, or the Bode plot analysis of RC low pass filter. So I will run the simulation. I will run the simulation and I will show you the plot between gain and frequency, and I will show you the plot between phase and frequency, right? So I will run the Bode plot analysis or AC analysis for RC low pass filter, right? So this is going to be very interesting topic today. So let us learn a bit about the theory how low pass filter works. Then we will run the simulation and see the behavior of RC low pass filter, right? So so as you can see here, this is basically a Bode plot of RC low pass filter. So this is Bode plot, and you can see there is a two plot. One plot is the plot between gain and frequency, that is called magnitude plot, and the second plot is the plot between phase and frequency, that is called phase plot, right? So you can see here, uh, this is output in dB, and this is frequency in hertz, okay? So these are the logarithmic scale, right? So you can see here the gain of your low pass filter is given by V gain equals to 20 log V out divided by V in, and you can see here this is the pass band up to your corner frequency. So here you have corner frequency. So in low pass filter it passes the frequency up to its corner frequency. That means your frequency starting from 0 hertz to your corner frequency fc, it passes at the output. So you can see here at some point of time, your input frequency is appearing at output, there is a no attenuation, and after that, after your corner frequency, there is a minus, that is called minus 3 dB point. What does it mean by minus 3 dB? Minus 3 dB point means your output start attenuating with 70.7%, okay, 70.7%. That means your output here at minus 3 dB point would be 0.707. You can find the reason by own how this 0.70 or 70.7% come, right? So this is minus 3 dB point, and after this corner frequency and minus 3 dB point, you can see your stop band. That means you cannot see your output here, and it is, you can see after the corner frequency it's attenuating continuously, and at some point of time your output become zero. So at minus 3 dB point, it is the 70.7% of your output, and after that it start decaying, and after a certain point of time it is zero, okay? Here you can see it is zero. So hope you understand the magnitude plot, the plot between gain, output, and frequency. And let us understand the plot between phase and frequency. So at the corner frequency, you can see your phase is shifted by minus 45 degree. Okay, so at the corner frequency, your phase is shifted by minus 45. Okay, so this is the basics of a RC low pass filter. Let us go back to simulation again and see the behavior of what we have understood in theory, it is appearing in simulation or not. So let me show you. I have used one voltage source here, one resistor. The value of this resistor is given by 1k, and the capacitor value is 100 nf. And if you want to calculate the corner frequency for this low pass filter, which is given by 1 by 2 pi RC. If you put the value like 1 by 2 pi RC, it will come 1.59 kilohertz, right? 1.59 kilohertz. If you calculate, you can do your own math. So just I want to show you the settings for AC analysis before directly running to the simulation. Okay, so you have to select one voltage source here. I hope you now know by watching my all videos how to draw circuit in LTSpice. So you have to select one voltage source and you have to define for AC analysis not any amplitude here. Let's say it's AC1, right? You have to select none here and you can say AC1. Okay, so this is AC1, and to run the AC analysis you have to go the simulate edit simulation command, and you can see I've selected the AC analysis here, and the type of sweep is decade, number of point per decade is 100, and the start frequency I use from 1 hertz to 100 kilohertz. Let us see the behavior. Let us see the gain and phase plot of low pass filter, right? So now you can directly run the simulation. So run it here, click it here, and you can find there is two window, one window for circuit and another window for waveform. Let me tile window vertically, so I click the window here and then tile window vertically. You can see two window here. Let me divide into two plot pane, add plot pane. So the first window for the magnitude plot, that means it is coming in the same window, no issue. So maybe I can delete this pen, right? Okay, okay, so now this is quite interesting. Here you can see this is the AC analysis or Bode plot of RC low pass filter. So what our calculation says is your corner frequency is 1.59 kilohertz. Let us see what is happening in the waveform. So you can see here is a 0 dB, as you already seen in the theory, and here is a magnitude, here is a frequency which start from 1 hertz to 100 kilohertz. You may use 0 hertz to 100 kilohertz, and this is plot between output and frequency, and this is the plot between phase and frequency. Okay, so this bold line is the plot for magnitude, and this dotted line is the plot for phase. So let me show you the behavior. So just click it this point, V and this node, right click it here. You can see the cursor option. Tick first cursor 1. Okay, now you have one cursor. So let me show you the frequency. You can write it here just. So I want to go the frequency 1.59, right? 1.59. Yep. Okay, it's not exactly 1.59, but it will do the job. So you can see at this frequency, this is the corner frequency you have already calculated for this circuit, right? Let me place it here. This is the corner frequency FC you have already calculated for R1 value 1k and C1 value 100 enough. So it is 1.59 kilohertz. So in the simulation you can see at the frequency 1.59 kilohertz, the magnitude is minus 3 dB. So here is a cursor and you can see the magnitude is minus 3 dB. That means your output is start decaying now, and at this point your output is 70%, 70.7% of your output. Okay, so you can see at this point your output is minus 3 dB at the corner frequency of 1.59 kilohertz. Then it it continuously start decaying. Okay, so this is the magnitude plot, and if you talk about the phase plot at the corner frequency 1.59, you can see your phase angle is minus 45 degree. Okay, that's the what we have already seen in the theory, right? So starting from here, just look at my cursor. Starting from here to at this point, this is pass band up to the corner frequency. It is the passing the signals. Okay, and this is the stop band. Your output is start decaying. Okay, so hope you understand the AC or Bode plot analysis of RC low pass filter. If you have any question, feel free to ask him in comment section, right? At the end, I will upload this file in Google Drive, and I will share the link in the description. You may go and download, and you can get the access of this LT Spice file. So thank you so much once again.